Hey, Aaron, you got a minute to tell us about Veloci?
Absolutely. Do you want to go up to the wash bay quick and have a chat?
Sure, let's go.
Hi, I'm Aaron Lindholm with Veloci Performance Products. I'm the president and CEO here. And in this video, we want to introduce our made in the USA Prima fittings. But before we do that, I'd like to give you a little background and history on our company. So follow me. Veloci Performance Products has been in business for over 20 years. We're located in Burnsville, Minnesota. And here in our 50,000 square foot warehouse facility, we manufacture, assemble, kit, and distribute goods for the pressure washing industry, the car wash industry, sewer jetting, hydro excavation, and auto detailing. In this video, we want to introduce our made in the USA Prima fittings, which are manufactured here in our facility in Burnsville, Minnesota. We manufacture couplers and plugs for various industries out of 303 stainless steel using the most modern CNC and robotic assembly technologies. So let's take a walk back to our CNC machine and our assembly area for our Prima fittings. The first step for this manufacturing process is to load 12-foot length stainless steel 303 bar stock into our manufacturing machine back there. Usually the parts take anywhere from about 1.5 minutes up to 4 minutes. Currently we're manufacturing 12 different components on there. Once the completed fitting comes off of there, Randy will do a spot check, a little microscope back there. We could check tolerances, review the quality of the manufacturing process. So after Randy spot checks them from a quality standpoint, the next step is they go into this wash tub that's filled with little stainless steel pieces or components that essentially act like sandpaper, and it smooths out all the edges, so it takes out all the burrs. You could run your finger along the threads and not be worried that you're going to get slivers. So, I mean, the quality is really high when it comes out of this wash tub. Once it comes out of the wash tub, it then goes over to the couplers have to get assembled. The plugs are done. That's finished. That's the last step. They go on the shelf and then out the door to the customers. But the most fun part of this whole process is the robotic assembly machine, which one of my good friends and his company built for us 3-4 years ago. And it is operated by one person. So the beginning step is they load a few of the components and the machine assembles 4 couplers at a time. As soon as he's done loading the componentry on there, he hits his little button, the machine spins, and then the Epson robot does all of its processes and procedures, which is, I have a lot of fun. So there you have it. That was the tour of Veloci Performance Products and our Prima manufacturing. You got to see how couplers were made, how our plugs were made, and you got to see the inside of the operations, which I hope was a lot of fun. If you have any questions, comment below. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for future videos on anything pressure washing, auto detailing related, our how-to videos, troubleshooting. We're going to be kicking out a lot more content here in the future. Thanks for watching.